So on January 21st, Microsoft will be doing an event for Windows 10. Now, of course, this is in 2 days. So, I figured it was as good a time as any to take a look at the Windows 10 technical preview, see what Windows 10 looks like so far, how it's doing, stuff like that. As you can see, I am running it in a virtual machine. That is the best possible option if you don't have any extra hard drives that you're able to use. So I figured I will just use a virtual machine. As you can see, unlike other versions of Windows, I'm assuming Windows 8 started doing this too, but rather than logging in with just some offline account that's stored on your C drive or something like that, this basically is just your Microsoft account that you have to log in with. Yes, your actual online account. It could be MSN, it could be Live, it could be Hotmail, it could be any number of things, depending on what you set it up as. So, it's a good thing I created this account way back when, because I knew I would be needing it for something at some point. And sure enough, I did. I needed it for the Windows 10 technical preview. I don't know why they are having you log in with your Microsoft account instead of just an offline user like Windows 7 and all the classic ones did. But, who knows. So, as you can see here, I already have some stuff on my desktop. My mouse does not appear to be doing... Okay, there it is. I'm like, where is my cursor? Dang it. Gosh dang it. So, not much here right now. See, these are my speakers. Well, this is the speaker settings. Doesn't look much different than Windows 8 or 7. But this looks about the same as well. Go to recording devices. And of course Steam wants to update. Anyway, so I can hopefully adjust this. Levels. Had a feeling there would be an option for that. I am not going to bother with this stupid microphone boost. Namely because I'm not even using the microphone boost. So why not hit OK. I'll let Steam do its stupid updating. Well, not really stupid, it's useful. But this is the start menu. Look familiar? Well, the layout might not, but the simple fact that it's in the corner will. Especially to anyone who's used Windows 7 or earlier. Windows 8 had a Metro interface. I thought it was too confusing. As cool and customizable as it was, I thought it was way too confusing to use. So, I'm very happy that they went back to having a start menu in the corner, because that's actually what I'm used to, and it's the least confusing for me, personally. Now, there were initially... Oh my gosh, what is happening? There were initially a whole lot of buttons on the right here, but I got rid of most of them except for... I only kept Skype, not really much of anything else. This is PC settings. It's basically your new control panel. Ah yes, that's a noise that was introduced in Windows 8 that they're apparently still using for Windows 10. And of course this clock is wrong. Let me fix that. This clock is off by about an hour. Come on. Adjust date and time. Thank you. Well, now look at that. Yeah. Time zone is all wrong, basically. What is this doing? I don't find that particularly useful. Actually, it's no different than Alt-Tab. Man, what happened to that special Windows arrow switching? System icons. What have I gotten into? Go away. Oh my gosh. It just doesn't stop. It's only because I kept repeatedly pressing Start Tab and then Alt Tab. Oh my gosh. Of course I mean Windows Tab, but yeah. Damn it! Stop it! Ugh! I'm trying to adjust date and time. Oh my gosh. It's gonna keep doing this until it finishes. Yeah. So basically PC settings is your new control panel. I will try to ignore these stupid issues that are going on in the background. Is there nothing? Yeah, now that there's nothing up, it can't Alt-Tab anymore. Gosh. No, wait, time zone. I want time zone. There. Found it. There, now it's showing the correct time. Anyway, so this start minute. Yeah, Explorer will occasionally give an error like that. It usually does that to me when I shut down Windows. But errors like that are to be expected of an operating system that hasn't even been released yet. Oh yeah, Skype. I'm going to show you guys the new Skype. It's probably no different than Windows 8 Skype, but yes, Skype comes pre-installed on this. I'm just going to wait for it to load. But I think this is not too bad so far. The Explorer.exe thing is the only issue I have noticed. And that's pretty impressive considering that this is only a technical preview, or should I say beta version of Windows. I thought it was kind of funny how Microsoft actually had a product key for this on their website. And did my Skype actually open, or is it still loading? I really can't tell at this point. And my start menu is being weird. Maybe it's just slowly responding to stuff that I pressed many seconds ago. I really wish I could use a physical install of this, but sadly I have no hard drives with enough space available that I don't use for anything else, or that anyone else doesn't use. Yeah. Skype is... I don't even know what it's doing right now. But any lag you might be seeing is probably just because I'm recording. I mean, yes, there can be a tiny bit of lag on this sometimes because it is a virtual machine and therefore does not run quite as well as it would on a physical install. I actually don't know how well this runs on a physical install because I've never tried it. I bet it runs amazingly, especially considering the fact that we have 8 gigabytes of RAM, a 3.5 gigahertz processor, and stuff like that. And of course, it has 6 cores, so it shouldn't be much different than Windows 8. I've never used Windows 8 at home, but still. Anyway, tab, where do I want to go? That's right. Oh my gosh. See, this is generally the issue. That slow-mo typing thing is what happens on lower-end machines, and this is not a low-end machine. This is just sluggish because it's running on a virtual machine. Windows Insider program. An early look at the future of Windows. Yes, they skipped 9. There actually was a Windows 9. It was in beta and everything, but it was scrapped for some reason. I'm assuming this was due to issues. Thank you for downloading the technical preview. Blah 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 blah. Wow, it was announced on the 30th of September. Oh my gosh, this is not the page I want. Maybe it's just saying that because I'm actually running the technical preview. Who knows? Download and install the preview only if you want to try out software that's still in development and like sharing your opinion about it. Don't mind lots of updates or a UI design that might change significantly over time. Really know your way around a PC and feel comfortable troubleshooting problems, backing up data, formatting a hard drive, installing an operating system from scratch, or restoring your old one if necessary. Know what an ISO file is and how to use it. Of course I know what that is, especially since I like to mess around with Linux distributions. I am not installing this on my everyday computer. Well, kind of, not really. Well, yeah, not really, because I'm using a virtual machine. So, and because this is only a technical preview, not a stable release, because of that, there's obviously going to be some issues. Maybe even some that screw up your data. Yeah, it even says right here, unexpected PC crashes could damage or even delete your files, so you should back up everything. I don't need to back up anything on this because this is a virtual machine on a virtual hard drive. So, if that gets screwed up, I can easily reinstall everything because it's only a virtual hard drive. It doesn't actually screw up the physical ones. Here's my curve. It's freezing again. I don't know what's happening. I can't do Control Delete, Control Enter. I can't do anything. Good grief. I hate when this happens. It's more likely to happen when I'm recording, though, apparently. I've also pressed too many keys for it to process, so I'll go ahead and wait. Sorry you have to sit through this boring section of the video, but I can't help the fact that VMware freezes occasionally and doesn't respond that much occasionally. And, of course, my kitty is hollering to me. Kitty, kitty, cat. So, yeah. Oh, hey, something is happening. What? Oh, of course. It went up to my window. It went up to the host machine's Control Delete because of what I pressed. In VMware, I would have to press Control Insert to only send Control Delete to the guest machine, which in this case is the one running the Windows 10 technical preview. Oh my gosh, it's about time it did something. Wow. Yeah. So, oh boy. Well. Hey look, it did the Control Delete on the guest machine as well. Dang it, man. I am so fed up with this. I'm not even kidding. Wait, did I just see... Oh, goody, I found it. Alright, we're good to go. As you can see, I have Roblox and Steam installed. Roblox runs okay, I suppose. I haven't tried much of any Steam games yet. I might try Minimum, I suppose. See how well that runs. But yeah, thank you for taking a look at some basic Windows 10 things with me. I may show you more later on, and of course you can try it out yourself if you download the technical preview from Microsoft's website. This is MS Paint. Obviously it hasn't changed at all. Blah 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 blah. So anyway, thank you for watching, and goodbye.